Hello friends, welcome to Head or Tail Education. Today our topic is diamond pattern logic and analysis. How to draw diamond pattern. So first we check how to draw the static pattern in C language. So this is the pattern is called diamond pattern, and if you want to draw this pattern by code in C language, it is very easy because this is statically. So this code is very simple. Just we use the statement printf and passing the star according to pattern. So this is the static pattern code. Join channel for more tutorials. Now next we understand the pattern analysis of diamond pattern. So this is the diamond pattern. Okay, so if this pattern I draw with table like this, so you have seen the all star in the value in columns. Okay, and the empty columns is also showing here. So this pattern is show in table row and column. Now in this pattern, if we fill empty columns by numbers, then like this. So the numbers is 1 2 3, then 3 2 1 1 2 1 2 1 1. Same like in bottom side 1 1 2 1 2 3, and right side 1 2 1 and 3 2 1. So this is the outer pattern of this diamond. And if we reverse the pattern like all numbers fills by star and empty and star is fills by number, then pattern like this. So this is inner pattern like this. So here we have number of patterns. So first pattern, second pattern, third pattern, fourth pattern, and in we have also first pattern, second pattern, third pattern and fourth pattern. First we check the outer pattern. So in outer pattern, if we ignore the star, all star, then we have pattern like this: 1 2 3 1 2 1 1 1 1 2 3, like this. So here we have 4 pattern. Okay, and next we use the inner pattern like this and ignore the star of all outer pattern. Then pattern is like this. So pattern 1 is this, pattern 2 is this, pattern 3 is this, and pattern 4 is this. Okay, next we match the both patterns, outer pattern and inner pattern. So outer pattern, if we check the pattern 1 2 3 1 2 and 1 is matched by pattern 4 of inner pattern like this. Okay, means 4 3 2 1, then 3 2 1, then 2 1 and 1. So order is not match, but the way of pattern is match, means 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 1 2 and 1. So this match is pattern 4. So pattern 1 is match equal to pattern 4. Okay, now check the pattern second. So pattern second 1 1 2 1 2 3. So in the inner pattern, the pattern second is match from pattern third, means 1 2 1, 3 2 1, 4 3 2 1. Okay, so this structure of pattern is also same, only order is changed. So pattern 3 is matched by pattern 2. Next we check the pattern 3. So pattern 3 is 3 2 1, 2 1 and 1. So this is pattern 3 structure. Okay, so pattern 3 is matched by pattern 2 like this. So 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3, 1 2 and 1. So this is the match. So if you replace the like 4 3 2 1, 3 2 1, 2 1 and 3, so this pattern is match. So pattern 3 is match pattern 2. Okay, now pattern 4. So pattern 4 have 1 2 1, 3 2 1 like this. Okay, so this is pattern 4. So pattern 4 is match to pattern 1 in inner pattern. So all the patterns match are inner and outer pattern. Okay, so in this tutorial we will create logic for all this pattern. So first we create the logic of pattern first 1 2 3, 1 2 and 1. Okay, so in this pattern you have seen that each row is started from 1 and end from last number and decreasing the order. So 3 2 1 means if we have the n 5, so we create the 5 row for this, and each row is start in inner loop. This is from 1 and decreasing of end. So first here I have created variable row, r for row, c for column and n for number of times. Okay, so here put the n equal to 5. So we have to draw the 5 line of this. Okay, now each row have inner loop. So inner loop is run the n times. Okay, means column, but the column is decreasing 1 in each time. So if we have the value 5, so first time the column loop is run 5 minus r have here 1. So 5 minus r means 5 minus 1 equal to 4 and 4 plus 1 equal to 5. So first time 5 1 to 5 is printing in column. Okay, then the comes increase the row. So if row equals to 2, then the column loop will run n means 5 minus 2 3 plus 1 4. Okay, so 4 time is running. So this loop is running, the row is 4 and column is loop is running each time n minus 1. Okay, so this is, so if you run the code, then output like this. So because here I am using the n equal to 5, so first row is fully run n equals 5 1 2 5 1 2 3 4 5. Then second time 1 2 3 4, third time 1 2 3, next 1 2 and 1. So this is the row pattern first. So this is very simple pattern. Okay, only one logic is here, n minus r plus 1, because each time r is increasing and value is decreasing here. Okay, and 1 is added, reason behind, because if first time this loop is run n, so n minus r means r equals to 1, so n minus r means 4. Okay, so n minus 1 4 plus 1, so 5. So this first time is loop is running column full 5 times. Next the pattern second. The second pattern is 1, then 1 2, then 1 2 3. So second pattern is also start from 1. Okay, so the column value C equals to 1 and C is less than equals to R and C plus plus. Okay, so less than equal to R means whatever the value of R, the column will running. So first time value of R equals to 1, so loop is running one time. Okay, of column loop. Next time R equals to 2, so column loop is running 2 times, 1 to 2. Then R equal to 3, so column loop run is 1 2 3 times. Okay, so this is the draw pattern of 2. So if you run this code, the output is like this: 1 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 and 1 2 3 4 5. Now check the demo of this. So this is the main function and this is the pattern 1 and pattern 2 function. Okay, and this is the pattern 1 code and pattern 2 code. So if I compiled and run, then the output like this. Okay, now next the C code of diamond pattern 3 and 4. Okay, so this time the pattern we have the 3 2 1, then 1 space from start and 2 1, then again 2 space from start and then 1. Okay, so one more loop we require to print the space for this, to providing the gap. Okay, so here n equals to 5 means we have the 5 row in this loop. The logic is here. So first time we need space or not, because the first time this loop is run 3 2 1, so we don't need the space of before the 3. So here I will start C equals to 1 and C is less than R and C plus plus. So we know that initialize on first time the R equals to 1. So conditions 1 is less than 1. This is false. So first time this loop is not running, means no space is printing. Okay. Next run the loop for 3 2 1. So C equals to N minus R plus 1. Okay. So initialize the N equals to 5. R initialize the 1. So 5 minus 1 equals to 4 and then plus 1 means 5. So start this loop from 5 and stop on equals to 1. So this is printing, okay, the column value. Now if we check the R equals to 2, so this space loop is running and the value n equals to 5 minus 2 means 3 plus 1 4. So loop is start from 4 to 1. Okay, so if you run the code, the output is like this. So because I have assigned here the 5, so start from 5 4 3 2 1. Okay, so but first time the space is not printing. I already explain you, because R equals to 1 here and C is also start from 1. So 1 is less than 1. This is condition false, so no space printing, and loop start from here 5 to 1 first time. Okay, then goes R equals to 2, then again loop is run first time, because this time R is equal to 2 and C equals to 1, so 1 is less than 2, so first space is printing here, then loop 4 3 2 1 complete. Okay, then next if R increase by 1, then 3, so here the 2 time space is printing here, and next start loop from 3 to 1. Okay, so this is the third type of pattern we draw by using the loop. Okay, next we discuss the pattern 4. So in the pattern 4 we have the first space and last start. After space I start the printing number. Okay, so if suppose if we have the n equal to 3 and r equal to 1, so how many space we required? 1 or 2 space first time. Okay, so c equals to 1 and c is less than n minus r. Okay, so means we print the 2 space from first time, then assign c equals to r, means 1 is assigned and c is greater than equal to 1. So 1 to 1, so this is 1 to 1 and c minus minus, and then this is the 0. Next if we run r increase to and the n we have 3. Okay, so because in this diagram n value is 3, so 3 row we have to printing. So if r equals to 2, so 3 minus 2 means 1. Okay, so this time printing the space only 1. Okay, then next jump the loop and print c equals to r, means 2 is greater than equal to 1, so 2 times this is loop is running, so 2 1. Okay, and in the final here those and r equals to 3, so 3 minus 3 equal to 0, so this time space is not printing and loop is start from 3, so print value 3 to 1. Okay, so if you run the function in main, the output like this, because here I assign the n equal to 5, so output like this: 1, then 1 2, then 3 to 1, then 4 3 to 1, then 5 4 3 to 1. Okay, now check the demo of this code. So this is the function of draw pattern 3 and pattern 4. Okay, so this is the pattern 3 and pattern 4. So if I first compile and then run, so you have seen the output. So this is the pattern 3 and this is for pattern 4. Join channel for more tutorials. Now next we join the pattern 1 and 3 and 2 and 4. Okay, so we already checked in previous slide what is the pattern first and 3. Okay, 1 and 3, so this is the pattern 1 and this is pattern 3. So if we join both pattern, so our next new pattern like this. Okay, so our function name is draw pattern 1 3. Okay, so here I have created the variable r means row, c means column, k means another variable, fr means first row, n equals to 5. So if we here, because we have only 1 2 3 row, so we check the n equal to 3. If we assign n equal to 3, means we have the 3 row. Okay, so the main loop for r equals to 1, r less than equal to n is running 3 times. Okay, now new line is printing inside the loop, and first we check the loop n times, means you have seen the first loop 1 2 3 1 2 and 1, means n minus r plus 1. So if n equal to 3, r equal to 1, so n minus r means 3 minus 2 means 2, 2 plus 1 equal to 3. So first time is the loop, first left loop is running 3 times, So 1 2 3. Okay, now this time we have no space of this, so k is initialized 1, so c equals to 1 and 1 is less than 1, so condition is false. So first time no space is printing here. Next we start the loop 3 2 1. Okay, so 3 2 1, so for c equals to n minus r plus 1, or c is greater than equal to 1, c minus 1 is percent d. So this time the loop c assigns the value 3, means 3 minus 1, so 2 2 plus 1 3, so c equal to 3. So 3 is greater than equal to 1, so this loop is running 3 times for printing 3 2 1. Okay, again the increase the k equal to k plus 2, means first time the space value equal to 1. Okay, then next time the space value equal to 1 2 3. So this is okay. So if you run this code, so output is like this, because here I have assigned the 5, so 1 2 3 4 5. Then again the loop, first time we know space we required, so space is not printing, and next the third loop is printing continue for start from 5, so 5 4 3 2 1. Okay, then r equals to 2, then printing 1 2 3 4. Okay, and here we have the loop for space. Okay, so space is printing for k less than k times, means 2 space is printing, and run again 4 3 2 1. Now again increase the r, so r is 3, so printing 1 2 3, so 1 2 3, then k is increased by plus 2, and the space is printing, and then printing 3 2 1. So this loop is running from for 5 times. Okay, the output is like this, but we require the output is not match, because here the 5 is coming 2 times. Okay, and in this pattern the only one time is coming 3, means if you have 1 2 3 4 4 3 2 1, 1 2 3 4 5 4 3 2 1, so we remove the 5 for this. Okay, so for this is this correct the logic, we use the code for this. Okay, so I comment the code this. Okay, and I use the code. So if r equals to 1, means if first time r equals to 1 means we have the first row, then first row value equal to 0 fr, and k equal to 0. Otherwise if r is not equal to first row, then first row equals to 1. So here for c equals to n minus r. Okay, so n minus r means if we have 5, so 5 minus r means 5 minus r, so r value of r equals to 1, so 5 minus 1 equal to 4, 4 plus 0 equals to 4. Okay, so first time, so c equals to 4, and run 4 to 1. Okay, now next time r equals to 2, then this condition is not matched, and first row value fr equals to 1. Okay, so c equals to n means 5 minus 2 plus 1, so 5 minus 2 3, 3 plus 1 4, so again run is 4 3 2 1 like this. Okay, and then increase by k equal to increase by plus 2. So if you run this code in main function, the output exact match like this. So 1 2 3 4 5 4 3 2 1, then next row 1 2 3 4, then empty space first time 4 3 2 1, then 1 2 3, then empty space, then 3 2 1, then 1 2, then empty space 2 1, then 1, then 1. Okay, so this is the code of this pattern 1 and 3. Okay, now pattern 2 and 4. So this pattern is 2 and this side pattern is 4. Okay, so both have same logic, but this time we don't need here the variable k. Okay, we need only row variable, final row value. So fr equals to here final row. Okay, the loop is assigned here, n times means number of times 5. So all code we have same, only one condition here is changed. R equals to n means if we have the last row, then final row equals to 1, otherwise each time final row equals to 0. And for the concept of printing space, so space printing is n minus r, means if we have the n 3 and r equals to 1, so 3 minus 2 1 2, then multiply by 2 means 4, and then minus 1 means 3. So here you have seen the how many space on first time, 1 2 3 means 1 2 3 space. Okay, so this is also main logic of this for printing the space. So 2 is multiply bracket n minus r minus 1 c plus plus. Okay, so first time we need 1 2 3 space, so 3 space is printing. Second time we need only one space, so if we check the second time value equal to r equals to 2, and if n equal to 3, so 3 minus 2 1, so 2 is multiplied by 3 minus 2 1, so 1 is multiplied by 2, and 2 minus 1, so 1, so 1 space is printing here. Okay, and last time if we have the 3, so 3 minus 3 0, so no space is printing, so this loop is not running because the condition is false. Okay, so if you run this loop, the output is like this. So 1 1, then 1 2 space is 1 2 1, then 1 2 3 4 space 4 3 2 1, then 1 2 3 4 5 4 3 2 1. So this is output of this code. Okay, now check the demo. Join channel for more tutorials. So draw the pattern 1 and 3. Function is called in main. Draw the pattern 2 and 4. So this is the function of draw pattern 1 and 3, and this is the function of draw pattern 2 and 4. Okay, so if I compiled here and run the code, so output is this. So this is the draw pattern 1 and 3. Okay, and this is bottom is draw pattern 1 and 4. Okay, so here you have seen I space giving. Okay, new line, so that's why the cape is coming here. Okay, now I run the program again, compile and run. So this is no spaces here. And one more thing, so this code is I comment here because I want to show you, like comment this code and uncommented this code. Okay, so if I run the program, compiled and run, so here you have seen by using this line, okay, and commented this below line. So 5 is repeating again, so 5 4 3 2 1 like this. Okay, so that's why I am using this code for design the pattern according to match. So if I run, compile and execute, so this pattern is showing here. Okay, so now next join all diamond patterns part. Okay, so here I have joined pattern 1 and 3 and pattern 2 and 4. So I write the function, means all we have the same code of draw pattern 1 and 3, just I copy paste here. Okay, and draw pattern 2 and 4. Okay, so this is the same of all. Now both function I called in main function of C. So draw pattern 1 3 first and draw pattern 2 4, then return 1. So if you compile and run, then output like this. Okay, so in this output you have seen the 1 is repeating 2 times here. Okay, because the loop in both function have number of times 5, so because n equals to 5 and n equals to 5, so the first n equals to 5 is okay, but this the next function we have to start from 2. Okay, so here r equals to 1, this function is started from r equals to 1. So compile and output like this. Now if I change r equals to 2, means start from 2, then output is like this. Okay, so remove from the first repeated row. Now check for demo for this. So here the draw pattern 1 and 3 and draw pattern 2 and 4. Okay, so this pattern, this function is n equal to 5 and this is also n equals to 5, or here I am using first time r equals to 1, start from 1. Okay, now compile this, no error, and run. So you have seen here 1 is repeating 2 times. Okay, so first 1 and 3 is okay, then 2 and 4 I start from r equals to 2. Okay, so here I am changing the value r equals to 2. So start from 2, then again compile and run. So this time you have seen the perfect output of pattern, this. Okay, next the code of generate diamond pattern. Okay, now we start to generate the diamond pattern. So this is very easy because all pattern part code I have created separately. Okay, and mixed by function also. So in this pattern we have the same code. Okay, only I replace the printf %d equals c with space, and next the printf empty is replaced by star with space. Okay, so you have seen in this area the blue color printf space is new and comment the printf %dc. Okay, replace printf star with space and comment printf space. Okay, next same like printf space and comment printf %d. Okay, see, same like in the pattern 2 and 4, the printf space comment printf %d, then printf star with the space and comment with this, and printf space and comment %d. Okay, now call the both function in main. Okay, and run the program. After compile and running, the output is like this. Okay, but only one part is repeated again. Here in both function we start the loop number of times in 5. Okay, so 5 plus 5 is 10 time loop is running. Okay, so in the second function draw pattern 2 or 4, we have to start the r equals to 2. Okay, not 1. So if you change the r equals to 2 and the compile and run again, the output is like this. Okay, now check the demo for this. So as according to our function, so I just comment this part 1 3, comment this and uncommented space again. Here uncomment this and comment. Okay, so this is first, same like changes in second. So comment this, uncomment and use star and this comment and uncomment. Okay, so this is, so if I run this program, so you have seen I have changed in both function according to our code, then compile and run. So this pattern as our output. Okay, so next is the final code of diamond pattern in one function. Okay, so you understand each pattern. Okay, now here I have created draw diamond pattern with argument. So how many times row we required. Okay, so here I am passing, calling the main function and passing 9 times. Okay, so passing 9 times. So this loop is running because in this function we have two main loops, start from r equals to 1 less than equal to n, and one more are different, r equals to 1 less than. So this two loop is running. If I pass here 9, then 9 into 9 means 18 times. Okay, so if you run this program and code, the output is like this. Okay, so here you have seen I already run the loop in less 1, means here I am passing 9, so the first loop is equals to 9, and then second loop is less than 9, means 8 times is running. Hope the tutorial will help to understand the diamond pattern. Okay, so first time I call the draw diamond pattern with argument number of times 5. Okay, second time again I call this function and number of row 9. Okay, now third time again call I this function and number of row 15. Okay, so three times I am calling this function with different row. Okay, so this is the function of this full, and here I am compiling, then run. Okay, so you have seen. So this first time I am calling the same function for to print 5 row. Okay, so this is 5 row plus 5 row, 10 row, means 1 row is less, means 9 row. Okay, next is calling for 9 row, means 9 row upper side and 1 row less, means 8 plus 8 16 and 17 row. Third times I am calling for 15 rows. Okay, so 15 plus 15 30, but 1 row is less, so 29 row. So this is the diamond pattern output dynamically. Okay, join channel for more tutorial. Now tell summary. Finally explained example of diamond pattern with static and dynamic code. Next, pattern convert into row and column matrix. Then analysis how many patterns exist. Next, split pattern in parts, then write code in C of each pattern. Next, first two pattern combine, then all pattern join. Explained the logic of all pattern example with demo. Hope tutorial will help to learn and write code of pattern C programming language. Thanks to watch Head or Tail Education.